Welcome back. Now, Melissa is a Category 2 system on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane scale, and the maximum wind speeds are now about 155 kilometers per hour. The system is moving slowly towards the west at about 6 kilometers per hour, and we are expected to be under the influence of tropical storm force winds between now going into tomorrow morning early, and then about 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. We are expected to see some hurricane force winds across sections of southeastern parishes, also across sections of the east. By Monday in the afternoon, we are expected to see hurricane force winds affecting most of the eastern half of the island, and most of the island is likely to be under the influence of tropical storm and hurricane force winds by about Monday of next week. Currently, the system is at 16.5 degrees north and about 75.6 degrees west, which puts it at about 210 kilometers southeast of Kingston, Jamaica. Now let's have a look at the satellite imagery across the Caribbean basin this evening. Cloudy conditions right across the central Caribbean as a result of the presence of the system. We do also have patches of clouds spreading across the Jamaica area from outflows from the system. We are expected to continue to see showers and thunderstorms across the Jamaica area over the next few days. Across the Western Caribbean, drier conditions are apparent. We are also expecting the system to continue moving further towards the north as it passes across Jamaica in the afternoon on Tuesday. Now, the forecast for tonight. Showers, thunderstorms are expected to affect sections of eastern parishes. We're expecting temperatures to drop to about 23 degrees Celsius in Kingston, also in Montego Bay. Now, in the morning tomorrow, we are expected to see shower and thunderstorm activity affect sections of northern as also sections of southeastern parishes. And for the afternoon, widespread showers and thunderstorms are expected. Temperatures 29 degrees Celsius in Kingston, and we expect the temperature in Montego Bay to get to 28 degrees Celsius. Now, the breakdown has clouds, showers and thunderstorms for most of the area tomorrow: Morant Bay, Kingston, as well as Portmore, Spanish Town, Mapen and Mandeville. It's in the afternoon that we're expecting the heaviest of the shower and thunderstorm activity across Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar and the Grill, while for most of the day tomorrow, Port Antonio and Port Maria should be under the influence of isolated shower and thunderstorm activity with cloudy conditions persisting. Elsewhere across the north, cloudy conditions, intermittent showers and thunderstorms are likely across Ocho Rios, St. Anne's Bay, Brownstown, as well as Falmouth, Montego Bay, and Lucy. Now, the next few days has clouds and windy conditions, tropical storm to hurricane force winds across most of the area on Monday. Similar conditions on Tuesday with outbreaks of showers and thunderstorms across the island. There is some sunshine expected on Wednesday, mainly in the afternoon, but we still have lingering shower and thunderstorm activity across the general area, with a few thunderstorms also forecast on Thursday. Now, the marine forecast. The winds are gusting to about 40 knots on the north coast tomorrow. We're expecting the winds averaging an east-northeasterly direction. Wave heights are between 2.5 getting up to about 4 meters. While for the south coast, the winds are getting up to about 45 knots in gusts, and wave heights are reaching up to 4.5 meters out of the east. For offshore areas, the winds are gusting to 55 knots. We do have a hurricane warning in effect, so you can continue to see wave heights getting up to about 5 meters while the winds are coming out of the east. And the outlook has hurricane conditions continuing for the area on Monday. We do expect winds to be continuing to gust up to 40 knots on Tuesday from the east, while on Wednesday the winds are anywhere between 20 and 30 knots, while a small craft warning is still expected to be in effect on Wednesday. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.